Microwave madness. Benny's kitchen catastrophe. Tired of boring microwaves? Get ready for Benny's explosive invention. Benny, our overly confident raccoon inventor, unveils his MicroChef 3000, a microwave that critiques your cooking. Lola, the sarcastic parrot, is ready with the zingers. The microwave roasts Benny's lasagna, calling it a noodle factory crime scene. Then, popcorn explodes, turning the kitchen into a buttery battlefield. Benny declares it an accidental success. Want more kitchen chaos? Subscribe for the full episode and see Benny's inventions go even more haywire.